In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your sender details in Wix automations, ensuring you're on top of all your web interactions and communications. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can feel confident in customizing this essential feature on your Wix site. Let's start by navigating to the Automations section within your Wix site's dashboard. You'll find this option on the left side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens, providing powerful tools to automate interactions with your site visitors. Once you're in the Automations section, you have the choice to either create a new automation from scratch or edit an existing one that you've previously set up. Wix also offers some preset options, which can save you time and get you started quickly. For our purpose today, let's focus on one popular preset: the Get an Email when a form is submitted action. This is a fantastic option if you want to receive a notification email each time someone submits a form through your website. It's a great way to stay updated with user engagements without having to check your website constantly. When you're ready, click on Set Up, and you'll be directed to Wix's own automation flow editor. This space allows for versatile customization to meet your specific needs. Now, look for the Send an Email action within your flow. This is where we'll customize the sender details. Click on it to open the panel, and there you'll find the option to edit your sender details. The first field we'll adjust is the sender's name. This name will appear in the recipient's inbox when they receive emails from this automation. Think of it as your caller ID in their email inbox. To edit it, simply click on the field, type in the name you'd like displayed, and hit Save. Make sure this name is recognizable and trustworthy, something that represents your brand or purpose effectively. Next, let's tackle the Reply to Email field. This is the email address that recipients will use if they want to reply to the email you've sent. It's very important to use an email address that you check regularly and is specifically designated for these communications. Simply click to edit the email address, type in your preferred reply to email, and click Save. Once you've made these changes, you want to ensure they're put into action. Look to the top right of your screen. You'll see an option to either activate or save. Clicking Enter will immediately put your newly customized settings into practice for your automation. And that's it. You've now successfully set your sender details for your Wix automation. With these changes in place, your email communications from form submissions will reflect your chosen name and reply to address, enhancing the professional image of your website while ensuring no important communications slip through the cracks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to harness the full potential of Wix's automation features.